Hi friends, let's learn about cute home pets in English and Chinese. Dog. Can you say dog?
狗
Cat. Can you say cat?
猫
Hamster. Can you say hamster?
仓鼠
Bird. Can you say bird?
小鸟
Fish. Can you say fish?
鱼
Tortoise. Can you say tortoise?
乌龟
Dog.
狗
Cat.
猫
Hamster.
仓鼠
Bird.
小鸟
Fish.
鱼
Tortoise.
乌龟
Great job! Hi parents! Don't miss our free printable fruits and vegetables learning kit perfect for 1 to 3-year-olds. Click the link and enter $0 to download for free. No payment needed! Remember to subscribe this channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.